Hello guys, in this I'm going to show you how you can withdraw money on XTrend Speed. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, then go to your profile, which is at the bottom of the screen, the last option, me. Then you can see at the middle of the screen the withdraw option. Click on that. So first, according to the regulatory requirement of EML procedure, you are required to deposit before withdraw. So you have to click on the deposit now. Here you have to select the amount of money you would like to deposit. After that you have to select the payment method. After that you have to give some basic information about yourself, and then you can deposit money. But if I'm going to click on the later, here I can show you how you can withdraw money. First you have to type in the amount that you would like to withdraw, and after that you have to click on the submit, and you can see that your request will be processed in 1 working day. Please note that your withdrawal may affect margin level, and you can see at the top of the screen that you can withdraw at least $20, and you can see that you can withdraw via credit card or wire transfer. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.